Only for Nigeria this kind thing dey happen o. Dem leave bride and groom stranded for marriage registry of Federal Ministry of Interior GRA Benin City because of say the registrar to carry out tying of knots travel out of town. Na only for Nigeria person dey hear this kind thing o. Now I wan ask so no other registrar on ground? No other one dey on ground? My people, make una watch this video. See how couple dey lament for their wedding day. Make una use una eyes see.
I'm supposed to get married, and we came here this morning only for them to inform us that the registrar traveled for burial. No prior information, no email, no text message. I'm here with my family. Some people came from some came from Ekpoma, only for them to attend this registry. And right now they are telling us the registrar traveled. Nobody informed us about it. My wife is inside there right now and we are confused. I'm disappointed and I don't know what to do at the moment.
Been here since like 8 o'clock and till now, nothing. And we've prepared, you know how excited you look forward to your wedding day, and then you get here, start hearing different stories. It doesn't make any sense.
This one na wetin I call unprofessionalism. This one na so unprofessionality o. Waiting. This one, the registrar no even dey serious with him job at all. At least registrar suppose call, drop message or even email sef make dem know say okay, wedding no go hold today. Na another time wedding go hold. This one dem no even talk anything. They allow them make dem land for venue. They hear story that touches the heart, story that touches the kidney. Which kind life be that one? Abi this one na sign say they no suppose marry, or this woman is making a mistake, or this man is making a mistake. There is nothing God cannot do. God can be giving them a sign that okay, this marriage is not for you. But I don't know whether then they see the sign, whether this one a real sign or not. But on the other side, I can't dey reason whether this man get plenty side chicks, so whether one don't go kidnap the registrar so that he no go come do their wedding or waiting, or they don't pay registrar off, make registrar no come the venue. I no can understand. But everything for Nigeria na money. If to say then they pay this registrar, the wedding people they pay maybe 50,000. Side chick come pay 100,000. Which one he go collect? He go collect the one way side chick give him now. Now the thing wey happen, me self as shocked as I hear this matter. The man they complain, say he don't spend millions for cake. This one, that one, and now the D-Day don't come. Then they give them story, and people come from far places to come witness this thing. Yet nothing. For me, what I go do? I go just go my reception jejely, do my celebration, enjoy myself, tie my knot by myself for that place. Because this registry or whatever, now just signing of paper. If I don't celebrate with my people for the reception, I go come next week, come do my tying of knots, sign all my paper and everything. Case go close. No need for all this lamenting. Even the bride self, I be una see when she dey talk. She calmly dey talk, oh my wedding, you know how you waited for your wedding. Me, I hear say registrar no dey. I go dey calmly talk. I go vex. I go para self dey post for social media because it's so annoying. You know wetin wedding day be? You know how many years they don dey date? They look up to this particular day. You go come. They hear say registrar no dey. Now only for this Benin City, they hear say this kind thing happen. No, now only this part of Nigeria. So my Benin people, if una dey plan go there, go do wedding, make una ask question properly. No say registrar go dey the day you go do your wedding. No be the one you go pay transport, call family upon family, people from far and wide, then go come. Nothing. Your own thought self, if it be say you reach that place, office everywhere closed, you no go see anybody. I mean, una see how the table empty. Where they suppose they do the thing empty. Abba, I beg. This one no follow at all. He no follow. This one he really bring my morale down. Everything just kill my mind for this kind place. Wedding day, person wedding. You know what he be? He can't travel. You know can't keep. Normally then they get assistant for all these things. At least assistant go there. So I want to ask one question. If registrar don't die now, for instance, this journey where he go, he travel out of town, he don't die. So then go wait, make him resurrect from the dead, come tie knot for people or waiting. They suppose get assistant wey go dey one corner, carry out this activity, registrar no dey. But this one, I don't know the kind of village these people come out from. I don't know who even assigned them to that place. They no come get person to at least do this thing if one person no dey. I beg, this is unprofessional. I no understand wetin dey happen. As I see this one, I say ma bring and come on side though. If una get anything to talk concerning this matter, make una put am for the comment section. We go reply all of una comments one by one. Make una no forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys in our next video. jealousy at work. Abi I go call am wickedness at work o. Unknown jealous people, dem go born one South African woman brand new car. Abi na South African lady brand new car. Weeks after she post am for social media, Facebook. See people, haters, dem don go born innocent woman car. And this unknown jealous people, wey dem call dem, dem carry grass put under this motor, set am on fire. Now be say dem really want to burn this motor down to the engine, to the extent where the motor go dey unrepairable. From the picture wey I dey see, the motor dey like Volkswagen, abi na Volkswagen. I no know how some people dey take call am, but for the Nigeria wey I know, we dey call am Volkswagen. Yes, dem just stay like this, burn the woman motor. Innocent woman. Now the woman dey in pain, so she dey cry, say she no fit take am o, say this thing dey too much, how she go take survive? Una dey see how this woman she dey lament already concerning this thing. I sure say this thing na one of her biggest achievement, or maybe she don save tire, say make she achieve this kind thing. Enemies, haters just go burn down this motor. But this kind people, if dem fit burn down this motor, dem fit kill person. Dem get the ability and capability to kill person. So make that woman go thank God say she die alive o. Say she no dey that motor wey dem set am on fire. This one na good lesson, make people learn, make people use their ear learn. Say no be every time you go carry your success go put for social media. Your haters dem dey everywhere. Dem dey watch. Plenty people no like your progress. You dey move, dem no like am. You buy one motor, that one, if you even buy bicycle for Nigeria sef, e be like say your haters go plenty. You never even reach machine or even keke napep, you still dey for bicycle, people go dey hate. Even people wey get wheelbarrow, their neighbor go dey vex say dem get wheelbarrow. Nothing people no dey hate. So if you carry this kind success go put, the way you even design the motor, put this one on top, dey celebrate, people no go dey happy. This one now don make people, open people eyes, say no be all your success. In fact, keep your success to yourself. Make it private. Because once you post, attackers will start to attack. Villagers go get meeting because of one thing where you go get. Immediately they see, they don't gather to do one thing for your own side, make you no progress. Now the thing where they happen, no. So make una keep una success out of social media. I should say una don't learn from this one. And this kind thing fit be from a circle of friends. Informants informated the other informants. Now so information move from pillar to post, bam, then go burn the motor. Like this now, woman, I been a lady, wey manage get this motor don burn. This one na another reason why people suppose dey do insurance. Because if this woman do insurance, she no go talk wetin she talk. Say how she go take survive this one, that one. If to say insurance dey for this motor, the woman no go dey lament, she no go dey cry too much. She go say, after all, man, relax, insurance dey, then go bring back the motor, and she go put all those her haters to shame. My people, insure your house, insure your car, even insure your life. Join. E be like say na the latest thing, na the best thing, because haters dey everywhere. Your enemies, like dem talk, e no dey far. Na people wey dey around. So everybody make una dey watchful. This one na something wey happen to woman wey manage buy motor, and nobody know whether this woman don suffer until last she manage buy this one. Then see am vex go burn the thing down. Which kind human beings dey this Nigeria? Dem fit kill this woman. So make the woman just go church, go give testimony, say, God, oh, I thank you say dem burn my motor, but I dey alive. Because if dem burn and joy, who go there dey cry, hey, how I go take survive? How I go take survive me waiting? Please, oh, go and give glory to God. My people, this one happen. I say, ma, bring am come una side, make una see wetin dey happen for this kind planet wey we dey. Haters, dem dey everywhere. No be they are just hating. This one na real haters. People wey fit get time burn down person motor. No be hater dem be. Abeg. This ones dem be haters. So my people, if una get anything to talk concerning this matter, make una put am for the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys in our next video.